In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional CV document using Gemini AI. We'll walk through the process from start to finish, so by the end, you'll have a clean, well-structured resume that you can easily edit, download, and share. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Gemini AI homepage. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account, so your work can be saved and you can come back to it later. Once you're on the main Gemini screen, you'll see a text box where you can type your prompt. In that box, clearly describe what you want Gemini to create. For example, you might say something like, "Create a professional CV for a marketing specialist with 5 years of experience, including sections for summary, skills, work experience, education, and certifications." The more specific you are here, the better the result will be. Mention your field, your level of experience, and any particular style you prefer, such as modern, minimalist, or corporate. After you've written your prompt, press enter and wait a few moments while Gemini generates your CV. When the draft appears, read it carefully from top to bottom. Check that your job titles, responsibilities, and dates make sense, and that the tone matches the kind of roles you're applying for. If something feels off, you don't need to start over. Instead, you can refine the result by talking to Gemini just like you would to a colleague. For example, you might say, "Make the summary more concise," or "Add more bullet-style responsibilities for the last role." Gemini will regenerate or adjust the text based on your feedback. Next, focus on personalization. Replace any placeholder information with your real details, such as your actual job titles, company names, and education history. Make sure your achievements are concrete and measurable where possible. Instead of improved sales, aim for something like increased quarterly sales by 20% over 1 year. This makes your CV stronger and more credible. Once you're happy with the content, you can copy the entire text and paste it into a document editor like Google Docs or Microsoft Word. There, you can polish the formatting, adjust fonts, align sections, add subtle headings, and ensure everything fits neatly on 1 or 2 pages. When you're done, save your CV as a PDF so it looks consistent on any device. Finally, store a copy where you can easily update it. As your experience grows, you can return to Gemini to generate new variations tailored to specific job applications, using the same simple process you learned today.